Shalom everybody. Well, so much for springtime in Florida. On Monday I brought you a video with an azalea bush beside me that was blossoming, and it was warm and it was beautiful. Well, I've got my Boston hoodie on because it has turned cold. A cold front has come through. We're having lows back down in the 40s, which is kind of cold for us this time of year. Things can change pretty quickly, and that's what's happened this week already. This week, we continue our Exodus Rebuild series. And sometimes when we're rebuilding, we think things are going in a certain way and everything changes quickly, and it affects us. This week, we're going to ask the question, how do I rebuild my place with God? Israel was at a place where things seemed to be going well, and then things just went south. Or maybe I should just say things just went north and it got colder. This week, we're going to find out how to rebuild our place with God when things got really, really difficult. So we may be climbing a mountain this week, so you may want to bring a snack pack or something that will help us with the journey ahead. Let's get to the top of that mountain. There's a great revelation this week in the Parsha. I'll see you along the way. I'll see you on Shabbat. Shalom, shalom.